Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here. Welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit channel. So if you like what we're doing here with the yoga moves and the recipes, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notified every time there's a new video. So today I'm going to talk to you about how to get a stronger booty. Who doesn't want a better looking butt, right? They make songs about it. They name roads after it. People post pictures of it. So we're going to show you 3 moves from Chiseled Yoga that really target those glute muscles. So go ahead and stand at the back of your mat. Take a deep breath in. Arms go up. And now take your right foot high and take a giant step out into Warrior 3. So arms come over your head. Your arms are right by your ears, and that left heel goes up. You're pushing into all 4 corners of your right foot to really stabilize your core. Now, level 1, if this is too much for you, you guys can take your hands back here or even your hands down. So if you want to go ahead, since we're focusing on the glutes this time, take your hands back, fingertips point toward the back, flex your back foot, and we're going to do pulses for 15. So you really feel it in the standing glute as well as the one that's pulsing. Good. Come all the way up. Take a deep breath in and let it go. So step back and we're going to switch sides. So deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring that left knee high. Take a giant step out, and this time the right leg goes out. Hands come back by the sides. Really stand in all 4 corners of that left foot. Ground yourself. Make sure that right hip is pointing toward the floor so that your hips are square. And flex the back foot fiercely as you do your 15 pulses. Good. Come all the way up. And release. So the next move, you guys, is basically standing split with ankle to ankle. So you could stay at the top of your mat, and we're just going to take our right foot out as we come down and bow toward the left leg. So bring your chest toward your thigh, maybe wrap your left arm around your left calf as you kick the back leg up as far as you can. And now standing split ankle to ankle to really target those glutes. Bend slightly your left knee as your right ankle comes to your left ankle. And if you want more, level 3 can take it into prayer hands where you're really engaging every muscle in your body. So 15 on this side at your level. You choose. Bring that right leg over the left and push into all 4 corners of both feet, feeling that nice stretch on the right glute. And you can go ahead and switch feet, bringing the left leg all the way up this time for a standing split with the right foot down, left foot up. So get as close as you can with your chest to your thigh, and maybe even wrap it with your hand. So now bend slightly into that right knee, and ankle comes to ankle. Level 1, your hands are down, and flex the back foot as you kick out and up. 15, go. Good job. Now bring that left foot over the right and push into your left foot, leaning onto all four corners of both feet, feeling the glutes stretch that way. And now open up your feet into standing position and roll up the spine all the way up. Take a deep breath in and out, coming down to seated for the third and final move, you guys. We know we have a bonus pose coming. So figure 4 hip thrusters is the third exercise. So if you go ahead and take your left foot down on the floor, your right foot across, move your right ankle across your thigh, flex your right foot, and come all the way down. Good. Now push your left foot into the floor, push your hands into the floor as your hips come up. So you're really creating some tension on that left glute, and you're gonna do 15 hip thrusters. Awesome, guys. Let that go and just switch legs. So bring in the ankle over the right thigh. You're gonna bring the left ankle over the right thigh and flex the left foot, which creates a little bit more tension for you in terms of resistance as you thrust your hips up and really squeeze that right glute. Push your hands and palms into the ground, elbows down, and 15 on the right side this time, really engaging that glute. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Just bring your knees and take the right and take little circles to the left. And you can come all the way up for our bonus pose. So you know we always have a bonus pose. And this bonus pose for our glutes is something else. So get ready for this. You're gonna come into tabletop position. So your wrists are under your shoulders, knees are under your hips, tuck your toes. We're gonna float our table. So really push into your palms, round your upper back, engage your core, almost tilt your pelvis forward, and lift up that right foot into a 90-degree angle. And we're gonna do 15 donkey kicks back into floating table. This really engages that glute and that hamstring. So when you get to the top, give it a little lift. Good job, you guys. So a good stretch if you want to come into child's pose and bring one hip over to the side and then the other hip over to the side. And maybe you even want to do a pigeon pose or a figure 4 stretch where you're just stretching out that glute. Make sure you stretch and Do these a couple times a week and you'll be sure to get that nice tail feather there. So thanks for joining me. If you guys like this, we have a live chiseled yoga show every Saturday, and look for that. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day. See you next time.